Sweat, baby, sex is a Texas. Drop me and you do the kind of stuff that only Prince would sing about. So put your hands down my pants and I'll bet you feel nuts. Yes, I'm Cisco, yes, I'm Ebert, and you're getting 2 thumbs up. You've had enough of 2 and touch. You want it rough, you're out of bounds. I want you smothered, want you covered like my Waffle House hash browns. Coming wicked and for next, never reaching apex. Just like Coca-Cola stock, you are inclined to make me rise an hour early, just like daylight savings time.
E buongiorno a tutti, benvenuti a questa nuova puntata di Azienda Agricola Fattore Bio. Quest'oggi andremo a fare un lavoro nuovo, un lavoro che non abbiamo mai visto nel canale. Andremo a fare della legna da ardere. Saremo in compagnia della Husqvarna 543xp e andremo a pulire questo boschetto di Acacia. Andremo a fare un taglio di selezione lasciando qualche matricina. Detto questo, non ci resta che cominciare a fare del chiasso. Partiamo.
You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Do it again now. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Getting horny now. You clean up with them up and bucket like the lost catacombs of Egypt. Only God knows where we stuck it. Hieroglyphics, let me be Pacific. I wanna be down in your South Seas, but I got this notion that the motion of your ocean meets Smokecraft advisory. So if I capsize on your thoughts, how top B5, you sunk my battleship. Please turn me on, I'm Mr. Coffee with an automatic grip. So show me yours, I'll show you mine. So time you love it just like Lyle, and then we'll do it doggy style so we can both watch X-Files. Do it now. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Do it again now. You and me, baby, ain't. You and me, baby, ain't. You and me. Sweat, baby, you and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Do it again now. You and me, baby, ain't nothing but mammals, so let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Getting horny now.